Hello, blessed people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, the first time they see this beautiful face. My name is Lazy. I'm Lazy up this channel now for long. So, my brothers and sisters, me I don't say I serious. Me I come my glass why. Before you go anywhere today, I beg consider to subscribe to this channel. Not as a subscriber, not be my mind. Without you, will not forget there. Be nice at least. Not say this life and I do for me, I do for you. Now the matter be. Thank you in advance because I know you will do so. Click the notification button and watch more of this. Not go anywhere. So today, happy Sunday. Today na Sunday, yes. As they see me, so I just weave my hair. May I for lose them tomorrow. Maybe for get coils, and I can't happen to like the hairstyle. It's okay because of that one. Make I step outside, go eat ice cream for today. May I for rock the hair small. So at the same time, I say, may I just shoot this unplanned video. So what we want to talk about today, not passing. My brothers and sisters, the kind of mentality when we get sometimes, I don't understand. Me, I don't understand though. In most cases, I don't understand because so many strange things they happen. So what will make me this video? A young lady with 2 children, they married white. Something happened that the man just wake up and say he need divorce. So this baby don't get what he want to do, or this woman than to really give a divorce, because according to the Bible, God still hate divorce, not be good into divorce. But people need to understand, say, if woman just come and say, husband, I need divorce, or man just come, you know what you won't do at that point. And the person when involved now, white man. White men, they get character. If they love you, you are in trouble. They hate you, you are in trouble. So if they love you, you won't go, no trouble you be. They fit do anything to themselves or to you. And if they see dislike you, you dey force yourself into them, you be like they suffocate them. So they like simple life. So for my own understanding of life, as white man won't give his wife, when he be Nigeria or Africa person, divorce, you know too much get much to do. Because when I listen to this very girl story, she don't really need the divorce with 2 children, and she fell lose their firstborn, and they get 2 children now. She don't need them, but what is she won't do? And this girl, I see YouTuber, she go just on camera, they cry. Especially women in the Europe, no matter the crisis and the temptation, the trials when they go through, we not too much get shoulder to lean on. Mama no dey, papa no dey, brother no dey, auntie no dey, uncle no dey. Some people there, I tell you, now public like this, now be their relative. So anytime they drop comment for people video, especially when it has to do with personal issue, people need to just watch their tongue, like watch what you want right. You understand? So this lady, they on camera for her channel, she go just dey cry, speechless, because of the crisis which they pass through for her family. Only for people to go under the comment section, they say, why you marry white? The man don't use you. You not see black man marry. Why you feel marry white? The man don't use you, don't dump you. You can't they cry for you, this and that. Hey! Guys, waiting now. The Bible says, we'll be our brother keeper, and so we want to do one. In such state, waiting that person need not just advice. So issue day when it go happen, apportion blames not just make sense. It don't happen, it don't happen. And when you and these people, I believe most of them they follow, then listen to the story that lead to this divorce. For me, I understand say the young woman try her best, but the man don't want the marriage again. When the woman talk say the man not the near him again, you know they do this one again. But the only first time when after months when they come close to her, he said that day they play as husband and wife. Inside your mind, if they happy, say your husband don't they come back to her. Because for a long time, no they touch her, no they do anything. If they happy, after this one, this good moment that night, they went for morning exercise, morning workout. Only for the man could just say, hey, sweetheart, hold on. I want to tell you something. I need divorce. Meaning say, that man don't know say yes, he won't go. But he just I don't know, he just fooled that lady that night before giving her the news. And the woman like, don't be me and you do like this yesterday night. Don't be me and you don't be all this. How come all the good time when they just get together yesterday night, this morning you say you need divorce? You know what that one mean? So what make me make this video? Now I need to understand, say, in marriage, no, most people when they go marry say, okay, where they go after 1 year, I go take break or I go divorce. It's not there. You understand? It's not too much like that. You understand? You know? And then if one of the two won't give the other one divorce, not too much get much to do, even if you don't want them. So people need to understand this one. And another thing, nobody dey fool anybody for marriage, really. Because if you really think of marriage, one person must play mumu, must play mugu before that relationship will be strong. One person will dey play wiser role, one person will dey play mumu role. Even if you still marry black man, you must succumb. Like, even though you know best, but you get to take play your role, you go play the mumu part of it. You understand? So that marriage, it go work. The man with the place, okay, now in the rule. But even though you see the talk waiting makes sense, it get to see humble yourself, talk am, so that the man will know if he say you want oppress or you want take over the house. Marriage is all about one coming down for another. Because as a woman, you need to play mumu for the rest of your life. The very day you will say your mumu don't do, that day the man will call you, that day you will turn to a wizard. Your food not go sweet again. You don't know how to you don't get respect again. You be winch. So you become all sorts of names just because you say your mumu, you don't do. So we women, in most cases, we dey play mugu parts. It no matter whether na white man you marry, na yellow man you marry, na green man, na Morocco, na Senegal you marry. Now so it just be. Now so it just be. So any situation where anybody for find themselves, I beg, make una the mind na tongue. So many people, you wanna tell they jump into it, especially waiting be personal issue. You understand? It take by God's grace. It take woman when the guy lion heart, like strong heart, to they go through divorce. And you not go see him for your face. I know why I'm telling you this. And you not go see him for your face. You understand? So to they go through divorce, now crisis. Your children, if you get children, they will ask you funny question overnight, and you must answer. If you do work, you're going to song of how you take meet up with your work, with children, with everything, especially here in Europe. It's very difficult. Life is difficult. Single mother. So this YouTube of a thing, people there. Now this public, maybe their family. So you don't know who be who. So let anybody cry out. If you don't know what to say, just softly. Just keep your comments. Even though you dey bitter or you not agree, keep your comment. Because now small thing, person they pull rope for neck. Yes. You just drop your comment. This one drop rough one. This one drop wrong one. Person will just read. You'll be like say, hope no will just there at all. Now we need to encourage each other. If not see who they cry, more not follow and cry. If not see who they mom not follow and mom. So Bible talking. If not see who they happy, rejoice with them. You understand? Because it's into their portion blame. Because who they listen to you, if they fragile for heart, you understand? Say anything when you just talk, if you just you know what I mean. So not be able to get strong mind. I beg. Anybody if you marry anybody. The only thing will not make me advise a person if you marry white or black too. Now when you be believer, it's okay. Person will not too much deep in Christianity. It go disturb you as a woman or as a man if you want marry unbeliever. When I say unbeliever, I not me say you know they go church or not be able when you go church, not be believer. You understand? So now that aspect, now for not to say okay, you feel select who you want marry. Anybody when you want marry, you get right to marry him. We need to consider each other, to console each other in case of any rough situation. Yes, let me leave you guys for now in the hands of God till we meet again. Stay blessed and stay healthy. God bless you. As you finish watching this video, you'll see some video pop up here and there. Please click, watch, and be part of this beautiful family. For the now, once again, happy Sunday. God bless you. So guys, if you like my hairstyle, you think I should carry this hair for a whole week like this, let me know. I just want to carry on for today. So bye bye for now. Ciao ciao.